Hey, it's Robin here from leadgenius.biz, and as always at leadgenius.biz, we're about simple, practical, trustworthy, authentic advice that's going to help you move the needle in your business. Now, I want to look at Thrive themes and a question that comes up about Thrive themes, and is it suitable for beginners? So today, I actually want to dive into Thrive themes, and we're going to go ahead and build a landing page in, well, we're going to try and do it in less than 5-6 minutes. And that's going to answer the question for you as to whether it's something you can use or whether it's something that's too complicated for you. I think it's incredibly easy, but don't take my word for it. Let's dive in. Let's build a page live. Look over my shoulder and you can see for yourself. So if we dive here into my WordPress dashboard, I'm just going to click here, Add New. Now, I'm assuming you've got some basic WordPress knowledge here and you've got a WordPress setup and you know what you're doing just to get some pages started. So we're not looking at how to work within WordPress right now. Now with the page loaded, we're just going to go and give this page a quick title. For the purposes of this demonstration, we'll just call it Thrive Themes. Let's hit publish. And then we're going to launch with Thrive Architect, the big green button at the top of the page. All right, as you can see, we're presented with a couple of options, and we're going to dive straight into pre-built landing page. The idea here is speed and speed for beginners. So we're going to take advantage of what Thrive has already built for us and just edit that. So let's go ahead and choose a pre-built landing page. And we're presented with a couple of options straight away. So let's go down and have a look. I like this one right here. Let's expand this. And I like this one's nice and simple. So we're going to select this one by clicking on it and clicking Apply Template. All right, there we have it. Our template is loaded. So let's dive in and see how fast we can get this going. So first of all, I'm just going to click over here and change this to the colors that suit me. Now, black and orange are the colors of my particular brand. So I'm just going to change that. And hey, presto, everything's changed already, as you can see. Now, one of the cool things about Thrive is that these aren't just templates. They're actually little mini tutorials. It's telling you what to write in and where in order to get the highest level of conversion you can. So right here on the headline, it says time to take, and it's prompting you what to put in there, the service that you're offering to the next level. So let's just dive in here and type in business. We're keeping this nice and simple. Time to take your business to the next level. Fantastic. So we've got a button here. I'm just going to click on that button, and as you can see, the menu on the left changes to suit with the item I've just selected, the element I've just selected. So the idea today is not to give you a training on how Thrive Apprentice works. This is the page builder, but just to show you how fast we can actually build a page. So I'm in the button right now. Let's go and change this target URL. Now it says here, book your free consultation call. I happen to have a page already about doing that. So I'm just going to type in a keyword that relates to that page. And then we have a coaching call page right there. Selected that. That's fantastic. All right, picture. This is not what I look like. So let's go and change that picture. So I'm just going to click into that content box. Right here, it lets me replace the image. So we click on that, open up the media library. Now I'm going to scroll on down until we find my ugly mug, and I'm going to insert that into the post. All right, boom, there it is. Now notice it's not exactly in the right place. Let's sort that out. I'm going to go down into background style and click on that, and I'm able to put that in the right place. Hit apply. That's looking great. What's my role here? I'm going to, let's just see. I've just clicked in there and I can type straight into it. So I'm just going to type in here trainer, and let's delete out what it had before. So as you can see, it's like building a PowerPoint slide. It's really, really simple. Click and go. All my formats, everything that I've done. This is where we could put a lovely testimonial. I'll leave that alone. What you'll get during this free strategy call, that actually sounds good enough to me. So I'm actually going to delete out. That's fantastic. Here we can just click into that and describe exactly what you're going to get on the call. All these little elements are here already color coded to suit my particular theme. It'll be the same for you, and you can click through here and off you go. All right, let's change that picture again. So we're going to click into the typography box and come up to, whoops, let's just close that down, come back to main options, replace image, And let's use that one again, insert that into post, boom, there it is. Let's change that about me, that looks good. This is not about me, so I'm not going to type some stuff in here, but what you could do is just click into that box and happily type away, boom, you're done. Everything's there, ready to go. We've got another button down here. Let's go and change that URL as well to change the coaching call. And there it is. And boom, we are done. And save work. So that's taken us just a couple of minutes, and barring a couple of text changes, we've actually got a pretty good converting page right there. So I'm going to hit save work. All right, go ahead and preview that page. And there we have it, a high converting page right now, ready to go and looking fantastic out the box. That took us only a couple of minutes to sort out. And all that's needed is really to change some of the pictures, change some of the text, and you've got a great page. And bonus, if we look at here, as responsive, it's responsive. There it is on a tablet. And if we click through to here, here it is on a mobile, looking fantastic. So the question is Thrive Themes suitable for startups, for guys who are not techie, for people who are not into WordPress in a big way? The answer is a resounding yes. Even if you are an expert in WordPress, you're going to be able to build and deploy pages super fast. If you'd like to find out more about Thrive Themes and this amazing tool that's really changed my business, so there's a link down below. Click on that, go find out some more about Thrive Themes. We'll catch you later.